Alright, rainy day. I just want to show you this. It's raining pretty good all around. It pretty much just started a little bit ago. It's just sprinkling. But over in that direction, about maybe 5 miles, I was watching TV a little bit ago, just like 10 minutes ago, and the news broke in, and it was hailing on the highway or in the surrounding, but it was like white, and people were pulling over onto the side of the road, and so I thought, well, maybe we'll get a little bit over here. Yeah, a little freckle-sized hail dropped down, I don't know, 5 minutes ago, but then it stopped. Now it's just rain. But I don't know, it might start hailing here. Who knows? It's pretty cold out. I got my hoodie on, but yeah, we need the rain. I think it rained pretty much in the nighttime, or early morning, I should say, when it was dark. Then it kind of let up, got a little sunny, and then all of a sudden closed back up. And but we need it. It's been a while since we had any rain, and so I don't know how long this is gonna go. Like, is it gonna end today and then be I think in Wednesday and Thursday or something like that, or Thursday, Friday, Wednesday, Thursday. I think it's supposed to be more, weather like this, rain and then snow up in the mountains. But I was waiting for some hail, but no, that's like hit and miss. That hail. Yeah, when you're on the freeway, it'll hail like hail. But not here on the little easy streets here. Anyway, if it does hail, I'll start up the film again, but video. But in video, start up the video. So anyway, all right. Well, just 10 seconds ago I heard a big old clap of thunder. Maybe I can get another one on this run cam. This is what I got out here. This one I use for my hat cam, but I'm holding it now. There's no more hail, I don't think. I'll show you over here to the west. It's kind of clearing up out that way, but that don't mean nothing. That clear could, get unclear for pretty fast. So I don't think I'll be able to. There ain't no. You can see a flash, but there ain't no bolt of lightning. But I don't know. We'll see what happens here. I'll hold it here for a while. But. Oh, excuse me. I looked at my phone a little bit ago and it said it's like 48 degrees. I said, yeah, right, more like 38 degrees. It is freaking cold out here. Kind of windy, but maybe that's, ambient temperature is 48, but, chill factor, I guess. The ambient is 48. I say the ambient is 38. Maybe I should be a weatherman. Stand out here and do the weather. And for the rest of the evening, cloudy, rain, maybe clear up, maybe sun. I don't know. Tomorrow maybe, but we need another thunder out here. I'll probably be recording this too long, and I'll want to end it. As soon as I turn it off, then there'll be some thunder. Just my chance. Jeez. But it is what it is. Kind of boring today. It is boring. Except we need the rain. Need to water these lawns out here. Shoot. That's the only area out that way that's any signs of any kind of clearing. So everything else is just gray and wet. So I'm going to turn this off because, yeah, what I tell you, it's going to thunder as soon as I turn this off. Watch. Yeah. See, I told you, as soon as I turned it off, there was a flash. Then I got to turn it on, but it takes a few seconds. But I know you guys heard that one. That was a pretty good one. I saw the flash, but I don't know where it was. Over to my left, I think. So maybe I shouldn't stand out here with them flashes flashing around. So, alright. I got a thunder in there, so I'm gonna turn this off. So, alright. See you guys later.